Okay, well this is the bathroom, such that it is. I'll try to not do the whole nausea thing again and move too fast. Toilet, dun dun dun. Ceiling's down here a little higher. That's my weirdo shelf system. The cool thing about this is that this is almost ADA, this whole toilet area here. And you have the ADA handrail, toilet dispenser, and then these pipe shelves work as a grab hold if you need assistance. And I just got done with foot surgery, so I needed a lot of assistance. This is the vanity, and I made the little shelves that are rolly-outy. I don't know if you can see this here. So I can pull those out if we needed to have a wheelchair on. And then we wouldn't have the storage space, but we'd be able to get up to the sink. And I just bought some brackets, burly brackets, and we made this top. And it's pretty, but it doesn't, you can't leave water on it, that's for dang sure. But so far we've been okay. It was 80 bucks versus the one I wanted was 860, so it's a win for that. This is a shower. This is actually a geologic map of the Arctic that I sent to Cafe Press and had them printed on a shower curtain. So if you found something you really liked, you could just say pfft and send it to Cafe Press and they'll print it on a shower curtain. You can see that the printing quality isn't great, but let's see, where's Alaska? I think Alaska is over here. It's kind of messed up. But anyway, you guys probably don't care about that so much. This is the shower. And I wanted something a little different for, well, I didn't like the plastic liners is basically the thing. And we didn't have enough time. We didn't want to put the time in to do tile. And what I was hoping is that this would be 3 pieces, and unfortunately they didn't make it wide enough, so I had to seam down the middle here. What I had them do was fold it over so there wouldn't be sharp edges here. And Dan thinks we could have got away with just having a single strip, and I think he's probably right. It would have been a little cleaner look. And this is okay. Doesn't bug me too badly, but it's definitely not pretty. However, what it does do is allow me to do things like this. I want my thing over here. I want my thingy there. Instead, whoops, I'm really gonna make you motion sick. Sorry about that. And we can put all sorts of magnets in places. And I got more little ADA shelfy things here. So it's a shelf and it's a grip. And I like them. They're reasonably easy to clean. I didn't do a good job of attaching this because it ended up being right here. And this is a shower unit I bought, I think from Build Direct, that has the grip as part of the spray handle. And I have to admit, I really do like that. You can get this in a lot of different, at least 3 different shower heads when we were buying it, and that's the one I chose. It's a water saver that's got a little bit of pressure behind it because I like a little bit of pressure. I don't like it when they're really dribbly. And we did okay of caulking. We didn't do the best job, but it works. And I don't think it's pretty, but I think with all the magnets and stuff you can put on it, and you know, any utilitarian things, they have a lot of really neat shelves in like CarQuest and stuff like that that are actually magnets that you could put all over here to be able to put stuff in. And as far as the rust goes, yeah, see, that's just soap scum. That's not even rust. I haven't seen a problem with that too much so far, and I was wondering how that was going to go. The other thing I was wondering is that I wondered seriously about going ahead and buying the painted tin to do this with. We got the tin on the outside of our house that's a really nice red, It's bright, but I think it would be really pretty. You just have to be real careful with the magnets that you chose as far as making sure that they were ones that had less chance of scratching your tin, I think. It's not like when you're in the shower you've got stuff on that's going to scratch the tin, I think. And as long as you don't use abrasives, it could look cool. I was really interested in the corrugated tin. It's really pretty. I just thought it would be challenging to seal it and then later to clean it. So, trying to think of anything else. I can't think of anything else. If you have any questions, let me know. This is probably longer than you wanted to spend, but okay. I'll talk to you later. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.